Good evening, folks. Just a quick impromptu video for you this evening. My intentions tonight were to repair this Celsius TV for one of my colleagues at work who gave me it today and asked if I could have a look at it. The standby power light was flashing red, and I thought, well, that's just going to be a problem with the power supply. Easy fix. I'll have it in work for you tomorrow. I'll be back up and running. So I opened it up and had a look. And the first thing I looked at was the electrolytic caps. Now that's generally 9 times out of 10 that's what's going to go on your power supply. TV manufacturers buy off the shelf power supplies that have got low quality components on, and they do fail with alarming regularity. But all the caps on this board were fine. Now, this particular power supply is manufactured by Vestel, and I've, at the time of making this video, I've repaired upwards of 100 flat screen TVs, and it is amazing the amount of times I've seen that name. They make TV power supplies for everybody. Everything from this cheap sort of supermarket TV up to more well-known brands such as Toshiba and similar companies like that. They make them for everybody. And another really common failure after we've checked the caps on these, specifically these Vestel boards. Other boards can fail in a similar fashion, but these Vestel boards, quite often it's the diodes that fail as well. Now there's 2 here, sometimes 3, you can see that vacant space there, and there's a single one here, again with a vacant space. So these 2 in parallel, or 3 in parallel, one of those will go dead short, or one of these 2 will go dead short, and you've got to take them off, check which ones are good, which ones are bad, replace the bad ones. But as I do, and I would hope that you would do as well, if you've got the components, just replace them all at the same time. It's best practice. It's going to save you having to open it up again in the future. But in this case, it's neither the caps nor the diodes that are at fault. It's the actual transformer package itself. If I just plug it in and power it on, and if I bring this up to the camera and if you listen, and hopefully that comes out in the camera, there's a horrible whining noise. And no, that's not my voice before anybody comments. No, it's this package. It's just failed. It's not functioning properly, and the TV is not powering on. And in terms of replacement cost, if it was the caps or the diodes, you could readily go on eBay and buy a little repair kit. This is just a bag of caps I've got knocking around. But you could buy a little repair kit for £10 or £12, including delivery. It's going to have all the required components, maybe not the best quality components, but it's going to have a nice printed sheet and allow you as a novice or a hobbyist to repair that board yourself. I buy my caps in bulk, and I try to buy good quality caps. Like these Samsung ones are, I think these are Samsung as well actually. I can buy high quality caps in bulk, and I can do a full board repair for £1 or so. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, my point is, when it's not one of those 2 things, diodes or caps, when you're looking at actually having to replace the power supply, or even this package alone, this transformer pack, you're looking at £25. I googled and eBay checked the part numbers for both the board and the transformer, and they both come in at £25. So yeah, £25 to replace the transformer. That might fix it. It might last a long while, but it's £25. This, you can pick these up for 70 or 80 quid nowadays. What is the point? But I definitely wouldn't recommend buying a used power supply. Why on earth would you spend £25 on a used power supply, which granted might last you a year, but at the same note, it might last you a day or 2. It just doesn't make sense. And sadly, that is a sort of reflection on our society these days. We are a throwaway nation, disposable nation. It's not cost effective to repair this. It makes more sense to send it away to the waste recycling and buy a new one with a 12-month warranty. And it's, like I say, it's quite sad. It's sad for a couple of reasons. One, it's the demise, or it's the start of the demise of the local TV repairman. Long gone are the days where you take your TV in to be repaired. You bin it and you buy a new one, don't you? And it's quite sad that people don't. You could argue that it's maybe becoming more popular, but more people should be checking on YouTube and watching people. I'm not going to say like myself. I try to pass on knowledge where I can, but there's many people on YouTube that will actually give you good tutorials on how to repair stuff. And it's just sad that people don't bother. And when I go to the local waste recycling and I see an ISO container full of TVs that for maybe £1 or £2 worth of parts could be back up and running, it's just so wasteful. Anyway, guys, yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick video showing you that it's not always economically viable to repair your consumer electronics. If you found this video interesting, as always, please like and subscribe. And just another little reminder about the competition time video I did a few days ago. That's still open. I think I just need to get another 20 subscribers, and then I'll pick somebody at random to win that little package, which I'll send out to you. Of course, at no cost to yourself, but there'll also be some goodies in there for you to use in your electronics hobbying. Any comments, please leave them below. But until then, until next time, I should say, all the best and take care.